I'm letting young Tim drive my red 124. And I have, by the way, done the resistor mod on the coolant temperature sensor for the auxiliary fans. And I've got the same value as my blue-black car. And still, this thing never really goes above 80 degrees. I'm really impressed with the temperature this car runs at. Which just goes to show there is something wrong with my blue-black car, because that always sits around 100 degrees. Like now, the auxiliary fans don't even turn on this car, and it is almost 30 degrees. Anyway, we'll just continue enjoying the drive.